To DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this Nissan Qashqai. It's the n-tec. It's got quite a few extras on it. It's in lovely condition, as you can see. Finished in grey. Wheels as well. Privacy glass to the rear. Boot area is in nice condition. It's a lovely low mileage example. Electric windows, mirrors. It's got the panoramic roof. It's only done 41,865 miles. Got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Nice specification, nice low mileage. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.